everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial. I hope everybody is doing great. So today I'm here to show you how to make this beautiful blanket. It's the cross stitch in round which I have used for this blanket. So I'm gonna show you how to make it and keep it as flat as possible to get this beautiful look. If you're interested to know how to make it, just stay tuned. So I'm using an acrylic yarn, which is worsted medium yarn, medium 4, and a 6mm hook, a larger hook than the recommended one. So I'll start with a magic loop and I'll chain 2. I'll make 6 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Six. Tighten the circle, and I'm gonna join to the top of the first single crochet with a slip stitch. And second round I'm gonna chain 1, and I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in every stitch. I will have 14 stitches. I will have 12 stitches. And I'm gonna join again to the first single crochet. So before we go any further, I'll explain to you what will happen now. So after these 2 rounds of single crochet, the next round will be a round of cross stitch. I'm gonna show you how to make the cross stitch. However, there is no increase in the stitches in the cross stitch round. So basically, to make the circle bigger every time, we're gonna increase in the round of single crochet. You must be familiar on how to make a circle. You need to know that before watching this video. So in the rounds of single crochet, we're gonna increase the single crochet. So every time I do a single crochet round, I'm gonna increase the number of single crochet stitches, so the circle will remain flat. And I'm gonna show you how to make it in a while. So this round will be a cross stitch round, so I'm gonna chain 2, skip the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the following stitch, yarn over, come back to the skipped stitch behind and work a double crochet. That's the first cross stitch made in round. I'm gonna skip the next stitch, make the same, 1 double crochet in the following one, and 1 double crochet in the next one, and yarn over, come back to the skipped stitch and work a double crochet. I'm gonna repeat till the end of the round. Skip 1, double crochet in the next, double crochet in the following, come back and make the back double crochet. Oops. Skip the next one. And that's it. I'm gonna join to the initial chain 2. So you see it's not very much flat. We're gonna flatten it now with a single crochet round. So in order to understand the numbers for this pattern, you need to look at the written pattern. It goes together with this video tutorial. Here I'm showing you how to basically make the cross stitch and single crochet round, but to make the entire blanket you need to have a look at the written pattern to follow the numbers in the round. So I'm gonna chain 1, again 2 single crochet in every stitch. And this is the last stitch, 2 single crochet. And join. So this is how it is so far. This is a round 1. Now the next round again will be a cross stitch round, the same as I showed you before, and the next round will be 2 single crochet in every stitch again. So for the first 8 rows you will have to make 2 single crochet in every stitch, and afterwards it will decrease to 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and like so, when you make a flat circle. Again, follow the written pattern to understand the numbers, and then follow with this video to know how to make the cross stitch round. So at the end this is what you get, a round cross stitch circle or blanket, and it's as flat as it should be. I hope the video is clear and you understand how to make it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.